Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out and organizing my pantry. I do have an older clean out and organizing my pantry up on my channel, but it has been about a year, so it needs to be gone through again. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's just get started. So I'm going to go one shelf at a time and just take out the bins and go through them, throw away anything that is expired, and then I'm going to wash out each of the bins and also wipe down the shelves with my Mrs. Meyer's peony spray, and then I will work on the top portion of my pantry. So what I find works best is to lay everything out on the counter and kind of see what you have and organize it by type. So I did like pasta and snacks and things like that. And then I like to take everything out of its original packaging if possible. And that helps to create a lot more space, because a lot of times the boxes that they are in are a lot bulkier and take up more room than if you just take them out of the package. And then plus it just looks nicer to put them in a nice little basket. I get all of my organizing stuff at the Dollar Tree, so it's super cheap. And I got the little chalk labels on Amazon. Just type in chalk labels and they should come up for you. And then I got these clear plastic containers. They're air sealed for Christmas actually, but you can find them at TJ Maxx, Walmart, Target, and I really have been loving them. I have several different sizes, so I was able to fit all of my spaghetti into this one, so it just looks a lot nicer than the boxes, and also it just helps to keep them fresher. And as you can see, Maddie is helping me and she's breaking down all of the boxes. That is a job I usually give her, and that just helps save a lot of room in your trash can so it doesn't fill up as quickly. So she's just tearing all of those down. Now I'm going through this top portion of my pantry that has mostly our canned goods, and then at the very top I have chips and tea, and I was storing the girls' lunch boxes up there, but I have since moved them to a drawer that I had empty. If you are wondering what that yellow Post-it note is, it is a note from my husband. He stuck little yellow Post-it notes around for me when he left, and it's just little encouraging messages for me. So I left it exactly where he put it. So now it's all done, and I'm showing you guys an overview of what it looks like. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I had loved when I did it last year, and it just needs to be gone through again at least once a year, maybe every 6 months or so would probably be better. But now I can just see what I have. It makes grocery shopping easier, and it makes picking out items for dinner or a snack so much easier. And I just love having an organized space. So I hope this inspired you guys to get your pantry organized. Head on over to the Dollar Tree and see what they have. Usually in the spring they have really pretty colors out. So good luck. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys, and I will see you next time.